Lord, show me, Lord, show me.
Yes, sir! What's going on, family? Welcome back to Godriven TV with your boy, LaShawn Taylor. Yo, I'm excited for this video today. Today, I'm gonna be showing you how to use some Cricut Infusible Ink. And the t-shirt we're gonna be using it on is going to be a Supreme styled t-shirt. And of course, we all know how much people love their Supreme tees. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to get it done now. All right, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and go to our Fonto app. And we're just gonna pull up a blank space. We can make it white or we can make it black, really doesn't matter. And I'm just gonna go ahead and type in, of course, I'm gonna be using the word Godriven. And I'm gonna go ahead and just go with bold. Just like this. We go ahead and change the color of the font. So yeah, we're gonna go with Godriven. And what I'm gonna do is bring the letters closer together. Just like this. Of course, we wanna make it look like the logo as much as possible. I'm gonna just make it bigger. And then from here, that looks perfect. We're gonna go ahead and go to save image. And now I'm gonna upload it up into my Cricut Design Space app. And from the app, we're gonna go ahead and upload this design. And of course, we just gotta take out the background. So hit select and take out the background that way. Make sure you get inside the letters. Just like that. And then hit apply and everything is good. So hit cut and I'll just name the image Godriven. Done. And now I'm gonna show you what to do on my laptop's Cricut Design Space. All right, so of course this is way too big. Now the sizing on this, because it's so small on the t-shirt, I'm gonna go with a width of 7. Just like that. Or matter of fact, I'll go a little smaller, and I'll make sure the box is at least 7 inches wide. All right, now what we're gonna do is go to our shapes and we'll get a square out. I'll go ahead and make this red so that we can get a good visual. And of course, like I said, I want to make sure that this design is at least 7 inches wide. Like that. Let me go ahead and send this to the back. So it'll be just like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and make the words white. Get that good visual so we know what it's looking like. Make sure it's even inside the box. So we're gonna highlight the whole image, then go to this corner and hit slice. All right, and now we'll just move both designs. And I'm gonna go ahead and delete those. Delete the words. And this is our finished image, our Supreme cut. All right, from here, we'll go ahead and press make it. Now with Cricut Infusible Ink, you wanna make sure that your design is mirrored because you're placing the actual color part face down on your garment. And we'll hit continue. And we'll set our base material to Infusible Ink. Yep, and it's this first one right here. Now that our Cricut maker is set up, I'm gonna go ahead and get this placed on our mat and get it cut out. So first we'll make sure our design is lined up at the edge. Just like that. Now if you're like me and haven't washed any of your mats in a while, you're gonna need to use some tape. So what I'm gonna do is tape up each end so that we make sure our cut stays in place. Alright, so I'm gonna take my scissors and just get the part that was cut out. That way I can save the rest of this infusible ink. Just like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just weed out everything that we don't need in this design. And here's our finished cut. Looks perfect. Now we're gonna get this pressed on our t-shirt. Now the brand I'm using is George. So now we're gonna go ahead and get out the moisture on our shirt. Now I'm gonna go ahead and line up my design. And of course I'm using these lines right here to help me better make sure that it's in the middle. I'm gonna go ahead and place my heat transfer sheet on top. My Cricut Easy Press 2 is set for 385 degrees and we're pressing it for a total of 40 seconds of full press. And we'll just go ahead and let this cool down now. And we'll come back for the finished press. Alright, family, thank you for tuning into this video. Man, this shirt came out so dope. And one thing I like about infusible ink is you'll have a shirt that'll last a lot longer than using regular heat transfer vinyl. Thank you again for tuning into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification to be notified when I drop new bangers for you guys. And as always, keep applying pressure to life because life has no boundaries. Until next video, we out.
Show me.